Hello, welcome back to German Brew. Today we have our Viking Blood again. So this is our second Viking Blood we make on this channel. It's my third Viking Blood I made. The first I made with canned cherries, the second I made with cherry nectar completely, and this time I reduced the cherry nectar to 1.5 liter cherry nectar and put 1 liter water. I put 500 gram forest honey and 350 gram just blossom honey. We're using the old Polish Mead yeast, and we have a start gravity of 1.108. Always make notes. Okay, this is our Viking Blood. It's already done for a while. I let it sit. Also, I have other things to do. Also, my auto siphon broke 2 times. I buy a new one and it was already broke. Video you have here. Okay. We have now this beautiful Viking Blood. The color is amazing. I try to put my light here. Maybe you see something. You can see a little bit later. We show it better in the glass. Okay, we starting directly to bottle, I think. You know, I don't rack another container. I know in the last bottle it can get a little bit heavy, but I don't have a problem with heavy. It tastes good anyway. We started in the end of February and now it's the beginning of June. Let's smell it first. It smells like Viking Blood. You can smell honey, you can smell fermented wine. I put it up here. I prepared 3 big bottles, 1 small bottle. Hopefully it's enough. If not, we will see. I also need to try a little bit. And normally it's enough, but it's full this time. So maybe I just put small bottle. But I prepared there a lot of more, so no problem. Okay, my new auto siphon, it's still a little bit wet, is here and here. Okay, put it inside here and inside here. Now it goes. Okay, it looks great. We need to try the gravity. I can go down a little bit more. I see in the ground is a lot of yeast. Isn't it a nice color? The bad thing is my bottling wand don't fit on this auto siphon. I need a smaller bottling wand. Also, you know, I fill it always up to the top, so I'm sure my bottles will be enough. Put this by the side, and now just the last 2 bottles and the small one. Okay, so we have our 3 bottles and the small bottle completely full. Maybe here you can see it great. I will make it with my phone for a moment. Then you can see the color. I think it's really amazing. Here you can see through it. So really perfect. Okay, so it's really perfect. I have here my sample. We're not completely dry. It's a surprise for me that we are not completely dry. We are still in 1.01. Okay, we have still 1.012. It can mean everything. It stopped, the fermentation stopped, but it was warm in the room, so I don't think it's a problem. Also, the old Polish Mead yeast came with some nutrients normally, and also, of course, cherry have some nutrients inside. I don't know why. It can have some non-fermentable sugar, maybe, so that's also possible. That's maybe in the honey was some non-fermentable sugar, or the yeast just stopped because the alcohol level was too high. We know sometimes yeast is a little bit stressed and they die earlier. Sometimes they can handle the alcohol in the right moment. So, okay. Let's see. I write down the gravity. That means we have Okay, we still have 12.96%, so 13%, it sounds good. The color is, like I said, amazing. It's not so dark red like the other. It's really nice. So it's a really nice color. I tried to make it in the sun. Okay, it doesn't work. So here you can see it now. Great. It's a nice color. It's more ruby color. So let's see. So the smell is still young, even when it's more than 3 months old, but it still smells young. The color is amazing. It's completely clear. You have a little bit fruity smell of fermented fruits, but also some honey flavor. Let's try it. It's nice, but I think it's a nice mead. It's fruity, it's has the flavor of honey, a little bit cherry, but I think the one with full nectar is more cherry. And of course, even it's just 50% cherry in it, in the nectar I use. It's great. It's a good mead. The other is better. The other Viking Blood is better. The one I make in 23. You'll find it there, by the way. It's really better, but the color here is more brighter. That's also nice because it looks now more like mead. And you have the cherry flavor. You have it, but the other you have a deep cherry flavor. It really tastes like a Viking Blood. It's really cherish, really a lot of cherry. This one is nice to drink. It's sweet. The sweetness is perfect. The 13% are really good for Viking Blood. I think the last time I have 14. Let's check the book because here is everything inside. The last Viking Blood we made in June 23, so almost 1 year ago. There we also end with not dry. We also have around 10 points, so absolutely normal it seems. There we have 13.7%, so we are close to other. 1%, you don't even taste it. So the alcohol is almost the same, but you're missing some sherry flavor in this. The taste is great. It's a nice mead. It's a nice summer mead. But the other more is deeper. So the next step is I need to try it with full cherry juice, even when it's more expensive. Then I just need to save, and then I can try it. I think the 5 liter cost around 30 euro. It's good cherry juice, by the way. So yes, so maybe I will use a 5 liter and making a big. The question is how much I need. I tried first to get maybe around 2 liter cherry juice. Try to mix it also. So, but we have a nice Viking Blood. The other is still better. This one is good. Don't get me wrong. And the color is great. So I'm pretty sure if I give this to someone, he will say, oh, that's a nice Viking Blood. It's cherryish, it's honey. But I think if I need to make it again, I will use the old recipe, not this one. And of course, I need to try other recipes. But this recipe, I think I will not make again. It's a great mead. but it's better if you just put 1 liter more cherry juice and don't put the water. So yes, okay, I will drink this, and the other will be still stay for my wife because she liked the last time the Viking Blood. And we'll see you the next time. Here are 2 more videos. One is YouTube thing you will like, the other one is my last video. And of course, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe. We'll see you the next time. Bye.